In this video, I will show you how to type CO2 in Word document like this. In particular, I will show you how to subscript number 2 in CO2. Let's get started. First, write CO2 in your Word document. Then select the number 2 and you will see here the option X at the bottom too. Click on it and the 2 will go to the subscript. Second method is also easy. Go to the insert option, click on equation. Under the script, select the second option subscript. In the first box, write CO and in the next box type number 2. Notice that this is all in italics. If you want to remove italics, select the CO2 and click on the ABC text to remove the italics. The last method is interesting. It's a shortcut. Select the number 2 and press Ctrl equal to on your keyboard to subscript number 2 in CO2. If you want to learn more useful tips and tricks quickly like this, subscribe the channel and press the bell notification right now. So whenever I publish a new video like this, you will get the notification immediately. See you again in the next video.